this is a login page design part 2, and this is a logo. Most of the people are confused about the logo. Again, I will repeat now. So this logo I chose it from the my computer, and I created images folder. Inside the image folders, so this is my logo name. Okay, after drag and drop into the logo inside the particular folder, this folder we need to give to the link to the pubstat.ml. Go to the pubstat.ml. So this is the assets uncomment. Before a comment is there, uncomment, and assets. What is our assets is this folder, images folder. Just start like this, images slash this one. This meaning is these are also considered as a assets. Okay, after this, where is our logo is located? Image slash logo.png. So see, image slash image dot assets. Here we are loading the assets. Okay, and next one is this is a text form field, and next one is, so this is I want to move to center of the screen. Okay, and here main axis element dot center, main axis element dot center, and cross axis almost center only, so no need to change. This is now we are moving to into the middle of the screen. Next, after next some space, we need to add a space between the images and this text. Just add a size box, and height, let me give this some 50, and comma, and here from here to here some size, I will give the size, and between this and this is something like 25. I'll come back to here, 25. Okay, next, this email address text should start with here. Okay, and password also should start with here. So here, from here to here, all the things, all the 4 widgets, 1 2 3 4 widget, I will wrap into the column. So column property, I will change it as a cross-axis element, cross-axis element dot start. Now these are the moving to here. The actual main column is in the center. Inside the main column, there is another column. This column, this property, I change it to the start. Now see, this is moved to this one. Now this text fields, and it's moving again this touched left and right side. I want to give the some space for the this one. So here I'll add a padding, and padding only. I want to add a padding only left and right, only left 25, comma right 25, like this. And next, what is the pending is after adding the 2 text fields. So this is one. Okay, and next one is I want to add a space between email and this text field. And again, this is a text, this is another text field. In between, I need to add some sized box. Height is sized box height 110, 10, and the same height I will apply for this one to here, and between this one some size is 20. Now this output is like this. Now it looks good. And again, the email address, there is no style. Okay, and add a style for this one. Style, text style, font size is, let's say 18, and font weight W500. Same style I'll apply to the password also. So email address and password, now it's okay. Then after text field, that I have a sized box. I'll add some 25, and next text button on pressed, and the child is, this is a login, this is a text. So now see some button is came, but here this text are removed from this column too, and I will add in this column. Okay, but actually the parent column is the center. Now you can see the center. Then this one, so now this button I will wrap with a container. This is a container. So this container, the width, let's say width to 300, and height is 45, and I want to add a decoration to the container. Then decoration, box decoration, and a border. So the border I will add like a, see why is this one is I want to add some background color to this button. So that's why this button wrap with the container, and the container height and with as a static value, and now the border with 1, and well, that's it. There is no border color. In the decoration, other property called the comma, border radius, border radius, border radius circular, certain, and next one is the color, the border color, the background color. So background color is color from RGBO 0 0 255 1. See the output. So till now just we design the login screen and with along with the button, see how, but this login button is not aligned in the middle of the center of the container. The container has a property called alignment, alignment dot center. Along with that I need to give the style to the this text style, and color start white visible on the button, and the font sizes I will give it as 80, and the font weight is W 600. See, so this is a simple login page, and then next one is I need to do some validations. So this is a login screen. Okay, and next one is once I click on the button, I want to verify this email text field and password text field is empty or not, and as well as, so once I enter this password, and enter the password, this need to be invisible state. Okay, so for this, first of all, we'll do like password visible. I will put a eye icon here. Let's say I want to put a eye icon. Yeah. Text field has a one property called upsecure text is a true. Okay, this meaning is this meaning is this meaning is to it's not visible the text while typing. You see now it's getting the dot. But so he when click on this I icon, for example, icon is there in the suffix. So there is initially there is a I icon is there. So based on the I selection, in it would be changed to visible and visible to invisible like this. For this, I'm going to take this true. I'm putting the static value, but here I want to take a one variable in the top, like could give the dynamic value. So boolean is visible is obscure text. You can take any name. Obscure text. Yes, true value. This prop this variable instead of true, I'm passing as a variable. But this variable we need to change as per the click is obscure text. So here in the decoration, there is a suffix is there, the suffix icon, suffix icon is obscure text. If it's obscure text, I will pass the icon start visibility off, or else icon of dot visibility. Okay, but now see the output. I want to give the output. See, icon is came. This is a text, but here once I click on this one, we need to change this one. For this, I will add a action to this one. On this, I will add a inkwell. Inkwell is one widget is there. So this is on tap, and the on tap, this is the way of this is on tap. Here in this on tap, we need to change the x obscure text value. Again, widget, inkwell, and inkwell, there is a on tap. This is on tap. Okay. So here, this meaning is if it's off, I need to change it to is visibility text obscure text to true. Okay, text to true. That is, I will put into the set state. Because of this variable we are changing this is a state variable. It should be inside the set state only. So similar like this. If it's a visibility, and you can change to false. This is a true. Sorry. If it's a true, initial true is there. If it's a true, change it to false. If it's a false, if it's a change it true. Okay, let's run and try now. Yeah, so initially the text is there. See, let's click on this. This is the way of visibility, invisibility of the icon. Okay, again I will repeat. This is a global variable. I took the global variable is true. initially this text field I added this variable. And again, this is a suffix text, suffix icon. And the suffix icon, I've checked the condition here. This is a condition operator. If it's up secure is true, I loaded one child called visibility off. So on the top, I added inkwell. This is kind of action. It's like a button, inkwell also. So once you click on this, initially visibility off. Okay, once you click on this button, this on top will call, and the true to initial true is there. We change it to false like this. This is way of visibility, invisibility of the password. Then once I click on this button, I want to add a validation to this one. For this, we have in the login page there is a two text field is there. So one is email address field. For this, we need to take a controllers. Email controller, email controller, test edit controller, and one is password. Email controller and password controller. So in the text field has a controller properties there. Email controller, and we need to assign password controller. So two controls we added here and here. Okay, once you click on the login button, this in the login action, we need to check the text field is empty or not. First, we'll write a separate method for validate the login form. So this method is a return type is a void. Return type is a void. This method I will call inside the login button action. This is a login button action. The method name is this is the way of calling the login. Sorry. Validate the login form. Validate the login form here. I'm going to check this one. First one is this is a simple validation. This is not a regular form validation. Just check the condition. Check this value is empty or not. That's it only. So if it's empty, I will show the one alert. Okay. So here, if else if. Okay. Email control dot text is empty. So if it's empty, I'm going to check show the one alert here. The alert is please alert messages. I want to show the alert messages. Please enter email. And other condition is if else if his email is empty, that's okay. And again check the condition called password control dot text dot is empty. Again here will display alert messages. Please enter password. So but here for alert, this is a show dialog one in default method is there. In the show dialog, we need to check this show the alert dialog. So here in the builder, we'll pass as a alert dialog. Alert dialog. So here alert dialog has a properties called title. See alert dialog has few properties there. Title, content, and actions. Okay. So title is what you are going to display. For example, title is alert. Okay, the title is text widget. So in the text widget only we need to write like this. Title is alert, for example. Content is the content is text. Please enter email. Okay. Action is a, so here in alert dialog the button, this is a button. Inside the alert button it display this one. This is on press, and the child is, it's text like, okay. Now see the output what will display. If his email is empty, we are display the this alert. And the same thing I will show you now. So now this, you click on work this button, see the please enter email is alert is coming. But after click on this okay, this is not dismiss. I will tell you how to dismiss this one. Okay. And same alert we need to display, we need to display here. So here please enter password. That's it only. The same code, same repeated code is repeated here. See, email is enter, okay, and once email enter, check the password also. Password also empty. Let's say, see now page enter password is coming. But you can see, observe here. Here is a same message, same lines of code, same line. Only change is this content only. So for this, I want to move this into the separate function extract method. I will write a one method like so alert message. So now you can see this will change it to the here. Automatically this will move to the so alert is automatically it's display like this. So here just only thing I need to pass message only message. What is the message is the please enter email. This is a message, right? And message. This message and password here. Same thing. Please enter. Please enter. See. So instead of duplicate code, just this particular line I move to the separate function and here pass the message that is displayed here. This is way of reduce the code using the separate function. This is way of validating the value. Please enter email. After entering the email, click on OK button action. We need to dismiss that. For dismiss, navigator dot pop. This is navigator dot pop. Now see, click on OK button is dismissed auto item. Then now please enter password. And again, if you enter password, okay, no error message is coming. So this is way of in the else condition. Just yes, form is valid. That's it.